Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Monday morning, I had a great weekend. I don't know about you, but this week definitely we opened with very good profit. And since the first beginning, we can see the opportunities. We're gonna take a look for first. Let's quickly do a quick recap about the economic calendar. Today, not a big deal. German IFO Business Climate Index for the Euro 9 a.m. GMT. Tuesday, tomorrow, German GDP, since the last, 15 years, gross domestic product is not a big deal for any country in terms of bringing us volatility on the markets, on the Forex market. But German GDP, Euro, 7 a.m., consumer confidence, 3 p.m. tomorrow. For the US, President Lagarde is going to give a speech on Wednesday, 1:30 p.m. GMT. New home sales for the in US, 3 p.m. Crude oil inventories, 3:30. Crude oil this morning actually surprised us pleasantly. Very, very good gap we had open, but we're going to check in about a couple of minutes. Thursday. Core durable good orders, we have 1:30 p.m. GMT, GDP for US 1:30 p.m. GMT, pending home sales 3 p.m. I would say this is a good report for in terms of volatility for the US 3 p.m. GMT, and Friday only gross domestic product in Canada. In terms of calendar, we don't have many major events like interest rates, like NFP, like CPIs, but I think in terms of technical analysis, we can have very good opportunities. What's going on? Euro US dollar retraced back actually 80 pips since 0.08 round number. I'm still waiting to see continuation to the upside. I think this is not enough for the euro, even though we see it's a kind of similar price action here like this one. Strong bullish momentum, and after that just continuation to the downside. I wanted to see 1.0880 this level. There is still chance to go up. Anyway, this momentum, bullish momentum, was strong enough to push the price here, or even 1.0926. But we have to wait for it. So let's take a look what's going on with the euro. Great British pound. As you can see, it's just still going in the triangle. We have support line here, 1.29. Between 29 and 30 is a very strong support and resistance levels. It's heading down right now, as you can see, to 0.2788. I'm going to move this line into 1.29 round number. It was tested here, and here. So it's a very strong support level. Let's see how the Great British Pound is going to react over approximately around this level, and then we can take an action. Careful with the Great British Pound because it's a little bit uncertain currently. Australian US, such an amazing drop, 120 pips. Whoever took this short trade, definitely registering very good profit right now. 120 pips is a very good move from 0.67 just directly to 0.66 next round number, support level that we don't have even on the chart here, but the round numbers are acting like support and resistance lines. So we can expect recovery on the Australian dollar as on the New Zealand dollar. So as you can see, it's staying on support level here, 0.6321. I'm going to move this one into a new support level just to make sure that we are focused here. 0.6378. This is still not broken, I would say, simply because the price is, just as you can see, is fluctuating very tiny around this level. So I want to see if, in order to say it's a broken level, so we have to see something much more stronger. So, but for now, I think New Zealand US, it's just like a pending currency pair in terms of trading for me, and I'm gonna wait to see how it's gonna react. USD Canadian heading up to the sky. Simply why? Because of the gap of the crude oil. Crude oil opened with approximately, how much is this? $1.20 $1.20 overnight. Coronavirus problems US. And as you know, we had a talk about this short trade. It's expected 54.82 was our resistance level, 53 was our support. Broken here, momentum absolutely beautiful. Most of my guys actually took the crude oil short trade here, and they woke up with very good profit. Some of them already texted me in the morning. So USD Canadian heading to the up. We have momentum, and as we can see, continuation to the upside. I think we're gonna see 1.33, 29, 20, 30, even 39, our resistance level. So USD Canadian is very interesting currently. USD Swiss, favorite currency pair, very strong drop, and now slight recovery, and I think we have to looking for short trades for now. But the only obstacle is this support level 0.9769, continuation to the upside, slight recovery after the drop, reaching the support, slight recovery, and I want to see breakout of this level in order to continue this downtrend. So USD Swiss franc, be careful with the short trades for now. USD Japanese, because of FOMC, 240 pips upward movement. I didn't expect that, telling you straightforward. I didn't have any buy trades here, and I told you in the previous video, if you are planning to take buy trades, be careful. Simply because we see positive momentum, 220 pips, but we could have seen actually the same exactly bundled on the negative side. No indications before that we're gonna see USD Japanese going up, at least not for me. And now we can definitely say we can consider this as an uptrend of the USD Swiss. We're gonna see recovery. I would say even for sure we're gonna see recovery. It's quite normal, not good idea to short this recovery whatsoever. So I'm gonna wait for good buy opportunities on the USD Japanese with very high cautious, because I still believe we're gonna see USD Japanese going down and reaching 106.74, even 105, pretty expected for me. So we talk about 650 pips away from the current price, but definitely it's not gonna happen overnight. Definitely it's going to be hot, and it really depends what Dow is going to do about it. So USD Japanese, if you're going to take any buy trades, keep it limited. For the short trades, don't even think about it for now. So we have to see the price getting back to below 110 in order to start thinking about short opportunities. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. It's a lovely Monday morning. Thumbs up, of course, comments below, share us and like us on the social media, spread this information to your friends, and expect my call on Wednesday morning. Enjoy the week, have a very profitable week. Bye bye.